Hi guys, this is my new Lenovo K3 Note and it has came up with the notification bar as the first one is WLAN and second one is data connection mode and the third one is audio profiles and this is ceramic speakers, but it has supports Dolby Atmos sound, so it is came up ceramic speakers. And this is secure zone. When you on secure zone, it will configure current zone and cross zone notifications, data isolation and sharing, delete secure zone, like that. The more operations can be done only with secure zone. And this is GPS, it is auto screen rotation, this is Dolby Atmos sound. While listening to the music, when you on Dolby Atmos sound, this will improve the quality of the sound. This is Bluetooth and this is we can take screenshot at any time at any cost. It will be stored on the gallery folder. And this is plane mode and this is torchlight. This is casting the screen to the wireless devices. This is white touch. This is super power supply. Super power means it enables only 4 options, which means telephone, contacts, SMS and clock is enables the alarm time, alarm and stopwatch, like that only. This is the super power, ultimate super power saver. When you exit, this will comes the back to the original mode. And this is the power manager and this is white touch. Like iPhone, Lenovo K3 Note supports the white touch feature. This bar is called white touch feature and this is the menu at where while playing the games, this white touch button is always present on the screen. While touching the white touch button, it has came up with like these features. We can quickly jump to the settings folder and quickly change the current settings. This is white touch and it has came up with lot of features, which means in the feature settings feature. And this is quick snap. This illustrates when you double press the volume up or volume down buttons, automatically takes the snapshot while playing music. But it has came up with volume adjustment button. Knock to light, double tap while screen is when you double tap the screen, it will automatically light up of the screen. Smart scene, and smart scene resembles sleep, home, lunch, like that. And switch screen of gestures, like when you draw V shape, it will open WhatsApp, like that. Screen of gestures. Thank you.